Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on an Academy Catalyst. This is Quant 100 important questions, short tricks. Okay, so this is trick number 7, and today I will discuss a very important concept. Okay, so now, first of all, some important announcement. Now subscribe for Iconic Cat 2021, and the benefits of Iconic is personal mentors, test analysis and reports, OMATS preparation, and all benefits of Plus are included. And also get mentored by graduates from top B schools, right? IMABC, and these are the learners who score more than 99 percentile in CAT. Shivam Chandak, Aditya, and these are the person, right? Now, now the benefits of an Academy Plus, and the benefits of an Academy Plus is top educators, structured course, doubt clearing session. These are the benefits of an Academy Plus, right? Now, if you are planning for an Academy Plus subscription, so now subscribe now. Just apply referral code GURGLIVE for 10% discount. For 1 year, this is 17,500. For 2 years, this is 21,000. If you apply this referral code GURGLIVE, then a 1 year subscription will be 15,750, and 24 months this is 18,900. Okay. Now, this is trick 7, and what is the trick? The ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 7:5. Just first understand what is the concept, right? What is given here ki, the ratio of milk and water is 7:5. We withdraw 18 liter mixture. We withdraw 18 liter mixture, right? If we are taking out 18 liter mixture, then ratio will be same or change. Ratio will remain same. Milk and water ratio will remain same, 7:5. Just like for example, just like कि आपके घर पे 5 कप टी बना है, राइट? 5 कप टी में अगर मैं 1 कप टी निकाल लेता हूँ, क्या बाकी की 4 कप टी में मिल्क एंड वाटर का जो रेशियो वो चेंज होगा? नो. सो सेम चीज़ यहाँ पर है. क्या भाई, if the ratio of milk and water is 7:5, if I am taken out 18 liter mixture, then there is no change on ratio, but quantity is changed, total quantity is changed. If the total quantity is x, now the total quantity is what? X minus 18. And added same quantity of water to the mixture, and now I have added same quantity of water. Now I am adding 18 liter water. Now quantity again becomes x liter. Now quantity again becomes x liter. But now ratio will be changed, and ratio becomes what? 7:8. But in both the ratio, find the initial quantity of milk. So for initial quantity of milk, I need the value of, for initial quantity of milk, initially milk and water ratio is 7:5, and the initial quantity x. Now I need the value of x. Now look at these two process, right? Just like milk and water ratio is 7:5. Now I am adding 18 liter water, then ratio becomes 7:8. In both the condition, in both the cases, milk is same because I am adding only water, right? So in both the cases milk is same. So milk is same and the water is 5 to 8. This is changed by 3 unit. And I know how much water I have added, 18 liters. So the value of 3 unit is 18. This is how many times? 6 times. So now ratio becomes 6 times. Now ratio becomes 6 times. If the ratio becomes 6 times, so I will get the quantity of milk and water. Now in this mixture, milk is 42 and water is what? 48. So the total quantity is what? Total quantity is what? 90. If the total quantity is 90, and in starting the ratio of milk and water was, 7:5. 7 plus 5, 12. And I know the value of 12 is 90. So how many times? 7.5 times. So the initial quantity of milk also 7.5 times. So 7.5 times of 7 is 52.5. So the initial quantity of milk was 52.5. That's a very simple process to find or solve this question. Now one more trick, right? If you want to solve this question in a few seconds, so just one more method. What is the method? I know one thing, the ratio of milk and water in starting is 7:5. Now I have taken out 18 liter mixture and added same quantity of water here. So if the mixture is x liter, then in last again it becomes what? X liter. So with the help of this, I can solve this question very easily, right? So I can say that milk and water was in the ratio 7:5, and now 7:8. But in both the condition, the total quantity of milk and water will remain same, because x is here and x is here. So in both the cases, total quantity of milk and water will remain here, same here. 7 plus 5, this is 12. 7 plus 8, 15. But in both the cases, the quantity is same. So make the quantity same. 12 multiplied by 5. 12 multiplied by 5 and 15 multiplied by 4. Now the total quantity is equal. Now multiply this by 5, this by 5, this by 4, this by 4. Okay. Now one more concept. If you have 40 liter mixture, of milk and water, in this milk is 30 and water is 10, right? You have a mixture of 40 liter. In this mixture, milk is 30 and water is 10, right? Now if I'm taking out one tenth of the mixture, one tenth of the mixture is 4 liter. Then in this 4 liter, milk and water will be 3 and 1, because I am taking one tenth of the total mixture. So one tenth of the milk will be taken out and one tenth of the water also taken out. So one tenth of the milk is 3 and one tenth of the water is 1, right? If I am taking out 18 liter mixture, then the fraction of कि भाई अगर मैंने मिक्सचर का 1/10 निकाला है, तो टोटल मिक्सचर का भी 1/10 निकलेगा. तो जितना पार्ट मैंने यहाँ पे मिक्सचर का निकाला होगा, वही मेरा मिल्क का भी निकला होगा, वही मेरा मिल्क का भी निकला होगा. तो सेम फंडा आई विल अप्लाई हियर, बिकॉज वाटर तो भाई दो बार चेंज हो गया. एक बार मैंने मिक्सचर निकाला, उसमें भी वाटर निकला. नाउ मैंने वाटर ऐड कर दिया, वाटर तो दो बार चेंज हुआ है. बट मिल्क इज चेंज ओनली वन टाइम. उसी रेशियो में चेंज हुआ होगा जिस रेशियो में मेरा क्या चेंज हुआ होगा, मिक्सचर. जैसे मिक्सचर 1/10 निकलता था, मिल्क भी 1/10 निकलता था. तो सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे कि जो फ्रैक्शन, जो रेशियो में यहाँ से मैंने मिल्क निकाला होगा, उसी रेशियो में मेरा टोटल मिक्सचर निकलेगा. एंड आई नो कि भाई मिल्क कितना निकला. 7 × 5 35 से कितना हो रहा है 28. कितना निकल रहा है भाई 7. तो मेरा मिल्क निकला है 7 आउट ऑफ 35. देन मेरा मिक्सचर भी भाई कितना निकला होगा, इसी फ्रैक्शन में 7/35, दिस इज 1/5. सो मेरा मिक्सचर भी 1/5 निकलेगा. एंड अगर मिक्सचर का 1/5 निकला है, एंड आई नो कि भाई मिक्सचर कितना निकला है 18 लीटर. 1 का वैल्यू इज 18, so the value of 5 is 90. 18 times. So the total quantity of milk and water was 90 liter. Total quantity of milk and water is 90 liter. And in this 90 liter, the ratio of milk and water is 7:5. Now divide this 7:5 in 90 in the ratio of 7:5. So this is 52.5. That's a very simple process. Make the quantity same and check the change, check the fraction of milk, and this fraction is equals to the fraction of mixture. That's a very simple process. Okay, now this is given here. The ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 13:7. The ratio of milk and water is 13:7. Now we withdraw 20 liter mixture and added same quantity of water to the mixture. Now if I am taking 20 liter mixture, then in this mixture milk and water both taken out, right? And I am adding only water, right? Now ratio becomes 3:2, right? जितना मैंने निकाला था सेम क्वांटिटी मैंने ऐड कर दिया. इन बोथ द केसेस टोटल क्वांटिटी विल रिमेन सेम. 13 + 7, दिस इज 20. 3 + 2, दिस इज 5. नाउ मेक द क्वांटिटी सेम. 5 multiplied by 4. सो नाउ 13 to 12, मिल्क कितना बाहर निकल रहा है 13 to 12, दिस इज 1. सो मिल्क का कितना फ्रैक्शन निकला 1/13. So if the fraction of milk is 1/13, then the fraction of mixture also 1/13. If the fraction of mixture is 1/13, I am taking out 1/13 mixture, and I know कितना mixture मैंने निकाला था 20 liter. So the value of 1 is 20. Then the value of 13 is 20 times, that is 260. So the total quantity of mixture was 260. Total quantity of mixture was 260. Now find the initial quantity of milk. Initially milk and water was in the ratio 13:7. 13 + 7, this is 20. And I know the total value is 260. So multiply 13 by 13 by 13 by 13. So the initial quantity of milk is 13 into 13. This is 169. That's a very simple process to solve this type of questions. Right, everyone? Now, if you are planning to subscribe Unacademy Plus for this type of solution and for complete courses, just now subscribe now Unacademy Plus. Okay, and apply referral code GURGLIVE for 10% discount. Assignment of the day. Assignment of the day. Right, everyone try to solve this question. Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye bye, and see you in the next session. Okay.